Hey, Scentsy fanatics! Just got the Easter collection in-house and thought I needed to go live so you guys can see it actually versus pictures, because pictures are deceiving, right? So let's start with this awesome warmer bundle. Now, it is a mini warmer. So if those of you don't know what a mini warmer is, this is the plug that it uses in the bottom, and then it goes into the wall. This was an awesome deal because you got the warmer, which was $25 itself, and then they gave you a blue, and purple bulbs, along with the white one that comes with the warmer. Okay, so it's like a $4 discount because these would be $2 each. It gives it a different look. I mean, you've got this white warmer with the daisies on it, which is really adorable to begin with. And you put a white bulb in and you get like a warm glow. You put the blue bulb in, I mean, you get another feel. So, I think I posted pictures with the different bulbs in them, and I haven't put bulbs or done a live with those yet. So just stay tuned. We may get pictures of those live ones yet while I'm doing this. So anyway, that was part of the Easter collection, was this bundle. And then, of course, we got a 3-pack of bars. You had to buy all 3 in the bars, but not in the pods. We'll get to that. So, the first scent was Blueberry Burst. And wow, it is really blueberry. I mean, I smell the blueberries, especially, let me see what else is in here other than blueberries. So it's, oh, that's where you're getting the warm from. So it's juicy blueberry, black raspberry, and then they did a caramelized sugar. So it almost has, I mean, you smell the blueberry, but it gives, the caramelized sugar gives it a whole different scent. So you can get this in the bar, the 3-pack of bars. It also comes in a pod singly. Okay. The next one was Raspberry Lollipop. And this is raspberry puree with crystallized sugar and vanilla. It is a lot sweeter than the sun-ripened berry. Now, the third is Lemon Drizzle Cake. And this has lilac sugar, vanilla icing drizzling with sweetness to lemon butter cake. Kind of smells like lemon bars with the powder sugar on them. This is really interesting. So this is the 3-pack that you can get, and they're $17. But here's the thing. If you didn't want all 3, when you set up a Scentsy club or add it to a Scentsy club, you can add just one. You could just add the blueberry, the lemon, or the raspberry in Scentsy club. So kind of cool. Now, they all come in pods. All 3 of those come in the pods. Yep, still smells the same. So you can get the lemon in a pod, the raspberry in the pod, and the blueberry. So 2 of the other things they launched in the Easter collection are 2 buddy clips. This is Bailey the bunny. in a bunny clip size. And the scent in it is the lemon. And then rosemary is the other. Look at her ears. And she's also in the lemon. Oh, Bailey's are corduroy. These would be adorable. Have you seen those big eggs? The ones that have the clear in the front? I have some. Maybe I'll take a picture with them in it. But you could put these in these and put them in Easter baskets. Just saying. Good idea. Start thinking about that Easter, because it's going to come up fast. All of a sudden, bam, it's going to be Easter. Now, the other thing that was in the, trying to move things around, Easter collection, and these are all in rainbow sherbet. They come in little houses. These are Bitty Buddies. I know, you guys think they are, look at him. They're this big fluff ball. I have a couple of them on my desk. But this is the bunny. They would be cute in Easter baskets also, in a big Easter egg, or just in there. Oh gosh, I can't get the chick out. Here's the chick. Rainbow sherbet is so nice. So that's the chick. Oh, and we have the lamb. And all of these, but the bunny, are still available. Look at that. I don't know. The bunny is, I don't know. They're all cute. So there we have the Easter collection. The link will be in the description for you. Don't miss out on these awesome limited time offers that are only available while supplies last. And check out my link tree for some of the other things that are coming that are only available while supplies last. So have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and talk soon.